Linney Film and Animation is a sort of a production arm of Linney, which is a full service marketing agency. Linney Film turns over about 1,500 films a year. They are 2D animators, 3D animators, camera ops, producers, production managers, VR experts, and those people are stitched into a much wider team in a marketing agency, essentially of around 1,200. Filmmaking is not only a team sport, but it's also a collaborative process, not only between crew, but also on client. It's high pressure, it's always against the clock. A typical project is one of our newsroom style productions, which probably puts out about 8 films a week. We'll get a script on a Monday, we'll shoot on a Tuesday, and then we'll be into the edit either on the move or back at the facility by Wednesday. Once the first cut's in the bag, it'll then go up onto the platform and then be distributed to about client review group. We'll probably get through about 3 or 4 cuts of each film by the end of the week. Ultimately, the downside of post-production is a lot of the amends and a lot of the feedback process. And in order to get everybody's thoughts and opinions, we all need to be doing that at the same cut, at the same point, and we all need to be united so that everybody can see each other's comments. The one reason that made Ziflow stand out was the amount of formats that it supported. It's a fragmented world, there's lots and lots of systems that we use. I needed something that would not only serve the purposes of Linney Film, but also the wider agency. Ziflow affords complete, broad horizon of different elements that it'll convert and proof and workflow. One of the reasons that I chose Ziflow, it boasts one of the fastest upload speeds in the game. Sometimes I'll be on the move, I'll be in a van, I'll be on a train, and I'll still need to get those proofs up quickly. I think one of the key things that my team like particularly are the fact that there's a plug-in for Premiere, so they don't have to leave their editing or their animating application in order to pick up amends directly from the client. I would say our speed to market has been vastly improved by this platform, and relationships have been built as a result of being able to interact directly. Ziflow allows us to consolidate all of our amends, and not only that, but actually bring the client and the creative elements together. They can build a relationship with the creative, which in some points is really useful, not only in cutting down speed and interpretation of people's creative thoughts and amends, it builds relationships as well, because people can have conversations on the platform, like things, respond to one another directly. The quality is reflected really in delivering what the client wants, and having the client on that proofing platform talking to the creatives allows them to get what they want, and ultimately the customer is king.